Welcome, students. We are discussing the chapter The Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. In the previous part, we have seen that narrator had stolen bundle of notes which was kept under mattress by Anil. After stealing the money, narrator went to the station. He was about to catch the train, but he did not enter the train. Something stopped him from leaving the place. There was hesitation in the heart of Hari Singh or narrator. So finally he left the train. He was quite alone on the platform. After that he decided not to stay at the hotel nearby station. He did not want to make others curious about himself. So finally he started moving towards Anil's house. Anil was the only man whom he knew well. So after that we will see what happened when he started moving towards Anil's house. Now see, in my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. So here, narrator was expressing his opinion regarding the study of man's faces. In his short career as a thief, he studied faces. Further, he told us when a person lost his goods, what would be the expression of their faces. He could understand. He said, the greedy man showed fear, rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance. So here he had told us what were the reactions of greedy man, rich man and poor man. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. Now he is thinking, when Anil will know that he had been robbed, what would be his facial expression? He said he would only become sad, or sadness would be seen on the face of Anil when he came to know that he had been robbed, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So this is the opinion of narrator regarding Anil when Anil would come to know that he had been robbed by the narrator whom he trusted a lot. Narrator said that he would not be sad for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. Anil had shown trust, and that trust was broken by the narrator. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. So these were the thoughts when he was returning towards Anil's house. The night was chilly. It was early November, and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. So narrator was not feeling well because it was a chilly night, it was cold night. Secondly, a light drizzle was taking place that added to his discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So, here in this paragraph, we have noticed that when thief or narrator was moving towards Anil's house, what were his thoughts? What were his anxiety? What were his pain? We have seen. Here we see the psychological condition of the narrator when he started thinking about the deeds of Anil. He had also given his opinion regarding the facial expression of the several persons when they were robbed. He said, greedy man showed fear, rich man showed anger, poor man showed acceptance. But what's about Anil? Anil would not become sad for the loss of money. He would be sad for the loss of trust. So here you see that narrator was realizing that he had broken the trust of Anil. So that was the feeling. And after that he started facing the rain. It started raining heavily. The night was cold, chilly. It was drizzling. After that, heavy rain took place that increased his discomfort. तो इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि थीफ जो है ये बताता है कि उसने बहुत चेहरे पढ़े हैं. अगर कोई जब रॉब्ड किया जाता है, कुछ चीज़ें चुराई जाती हैं, तो ग्रीडी मैन दर्द शो करता है, रिच मैन एंगर शो करता है और पुअर मैन एक्सेप्टेंस शो करता है. लेकिन अनिल क्या करेगा? जब अनिल को पता चलेगा तो अनिल दुखी होगा. उसे दुख इस बात का नहीं होगा कि उसकी मनी चुरा ली गई. उसे दुख इस बात का होगा कि उसके ट्रस्ट को तोड़ा गया. तो ये थॉट थे थीफ के जब वह अनिल के हाउस की तरफ बढ़ रहा था. और इसी बीच जो है ड्रिजलिंग हुई, बारिश होने लगी. और ये नवंबर की नाइट है जो काफ़ी ठंड है, ठंड को इंक्रीज कर दी. और वो पूरी तरह से भीग गया और उसके जो पैजामा और जो शर्ट थे वो उसके शरीर से स्टक हो गए. सो दैट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ द thief or narrator when he was returning towards Anil's house. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Notes were wet because of the rain. Because of the rain, his whole body was wet, and notes were also wet. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. So here you see, he started thinking about the deeds of Anil. Although Anil did not pay him, but he used to give some money for the enjoyment. As here we see that Anil had given 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. So he had snatched, he had stolen all the money of Anil, I could not cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. So here we see realization is going to take place in the heart of the thief. The thief started realizing his wrong deeds. He started remembering the deeds of Anil. What did Anil for him? He taught him. He taught him how to write. He taught him how to cook. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. So here, the thief started thinking about the deeds of Anil. He had also realized that Anil taught him several things: how to cook, how to write, how to learn, how to write the whole sentences. Further, he thought that when he would be educated, then he would earn more and more money, a few hundred rupees. Means education would bring comfort in his life. It is a simple matter of steal, or sometimes just as simple to be caught. Now finally he decided to go to Anil's house, and I gave everything to Anil, and I would learn how to read and write. That was the decision taken by the thief when he was sitting in the shelter of the clock tower. तो इस पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि थीफ जो है एक बेंच बैठा हुआ है क्लॉक टावर के नीचे। ये मिडनाइट है और थीफ नोट्स को महसूस करता है जो कि पूरी तरह से भीग चुका है पानी की वजह से, जो कि अनिल का मनी है, पैसा है। और वो याद करता है कि अनिल उसे मॉर्निंग में 2 या 3 रुपए देता था सिनेमा देखने के लिए। अनिल उसको सिखाया कि कैसे लिखते हैं, कैसे पढ़ते हैं, कैसे कुक करते हैं, कैसे पूरे सेंटेंस लिखे जाते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ों वो रिमेंबर करने लगता है। थीफ सोचता है कि एजुकेशन जब मिल जाती है, प्राइमरी एजुकेशन मिल जाने के कारण वो जो है जो चीप थेफ्ट वो कर रहा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा पैसा वो कमा पाएगा। ये मैटर है किसी जैसे हम चोरी करते हैं जितनी आसानी से, उतनी ही आसानी से क्या है पकड़े जा सकते हैं। उस मानना है कि जो बिग मैन है, जो क्लेवर रिस्पेक्टेड मैन है, वो अलग होते हैं। यानी यहाँ पे थीफ रियलाइज कर रहा है कि उसकी जो अपनी एक्टिविटी है वो बहुत अच्छी नहीं है। एजुकेशन होने के कारण वो क्या होगा, एक बिग मैन होगा, एक क्लेवर होगा, एक रिस्पेक्टेड मैन होगा, या उससे भी कहीं अधिक अच्छा होगा। क्यों? एजुकेशन के कारण। फाइनली वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो अनिल के घर जाएगा और उसका पैसा उसको लौटाएगा। सो दैट वाज द डिसीजन टेकन बाय द नैरेटर। I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. Now this time, thief was not happy. Thief was feeling nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than return it undetected. So that was the thought in the mind of Anil. That was the thought in the mind of the thief. He thought that it was very easy to steal the money without being noticed. But it was very painful, it was very, very difficult to return it undetected, not noticed by anyone. That's why he was nervous. Thief was nervous because he was going to return the money without being noticed by Anil. He felt that it was very, very difficult for him to return the money. To steal the money is an easy task in comparison to return it. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. Anil was sleeping. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. So, here in this paragraph, the thief had shown what is happening in the mind, in his heart. He thought it was very easy to steal the things in comparison to return in the same way. And same thing was going to be done by the thief. And when he was putting his hand under the mattress, he can feel the breath of Anil who was sleeping. तो इस पैराग्राफ में देखते हैं कि तेजी से थीफ जो है अनिल के घर पहुंचता है और अंदर जाता है उसके बेड के पास और नोट्स जो हैं, भीगे हुए नोट्स जो हैं उसको रखता है मैट्रेस के अंदर। ऐसा करते समय वो महसूस करता है कि बिना नोटिस किए चोरी करना आसान है, बिना नोटिस किए पैसे को किसी व्यक्ति को उसी स्थान पर रखना, ये इसका एहसास है। थीफ ये एहसास करता है कि ये बहुत ही कठिन काम है कि चुराए हुए पैसों को फिर से उसी स्थान पर रखना। और जब ये कर रहा होता है तो उस समय अनिल सो रहा है और फाइनली थीफ अपना पैसा मैट्रेस के अंदर रख देता है। I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50-rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. He said, I made some money yesterday. Now you will be paid regularly. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentences, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So that was the change that had taken place in Anil's behavior, or you can say in the thief's behavior, in thief's thought. Okay, and here we see the change in Anil's behavior. He started teaching the thief, and this time thief was smiling without any effort. He was smiling without any effort. That was the change that took place in thief's character. So here we see thief's character had changed because of the behavior of Anil. When Anil came to know that he had been robbed, or thief had, or Hari Singh had stolen the money, he did not become angry. Instead of being angry, he showed sympathy. he showed love and compassion towards the thief, and he said that now you will be paid regularly, and today we will study the whole sentences, writing sentences, how to write the sentences. Today I will teach you. But one thing, what thief had noticed here, there was no sign of anxiety on the face of Anil. Neither his lips nor his face nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil, and this time I am smiling at Anil without any effort. He also smiled. Okay. So here we see the thief had changed. The character of thief had changed now. He had realized his mistakes. He had understood the importance of Anil's behavior, Anil's trust, Anil's deeds, and the positive change had been brought in Anil's behavior as well as the thief's behavior. तो इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि अनिल जो है चाय बना के लाता है हरी सिंह के लिए, और हरी सिंह जो है अब चाय पीने के लिए हाथ बढ़ाता है। तभी जो है थीप पाता है कि अनिल उसे जो है 50 रुपये या 100 कुछ पैसे देता है, उसको वही नोट देता है जो भीगी हुई है। और ये बात क्लियर है कि अनिल को पता चल चुका है कि अनिल ने थीफ ने उसके पैसे को चुराए थे, और ये जान करके थीफ बहुत ही दुखी होता है, उसका हार्ट सहन करने लगता है। और बट अनिल कहता है, डांटने के बजाय वो कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें रेगुलरली पे करूँगा, मैंने पैसे बना लिए हैं। और इसके बाद वो बोलता है कि आज हम लोग ये सेंटेंस कैसे लिखते हैं इसको सीखेंगे। इसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि थीफ के कैरेक्टर में चेंज आता है, और थीफ ये भी पाता है कि अनिल के चेहरे पे कोई भी ऐसा हाव या भाव नहीं है जो ये दर्शा रहा हो कि उसके पैसे चुराए गए थे। और सबसे बड़ा चेंज जो थीफ के कैरेक्टर में आता है कि ये स्माइल करता है बिना किसी एफर्ट के। पहले वो स्माइल करता है एफर्ट के साथ, दिस टाइम ही स्माइल्ड एफर्टलेसली, एंड दिस टाइम the thief had changed a lot. Narrator has changed a lot. Narrator had understood the importance of education. He had understood the behavior of Anil. He had understood that love and compassion can bring positive changes in man's character. And same was done by Anil. Anil had showed positivity. Anil had showed positive feeling towards the thief, and due to it what happened, positive changes had been seen in thief's character. So that is all which we have discussed. Okay, thank you.